Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Muslim, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily update on our YouTube channel. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you smash that like button because this gives you the indication, this gives you notifications on a daily basis whenever we upload videos, and of course, when we go live. And when we do go live, this is your opportunity to ask us as many questions as you can. Now, you may be wondering, first of all, that Naeem, why are you not wearing the most favorite shirt, the blue shirt, and you're wearing a pink hoodie today? Because it is incredibly cold in London today. Over the weekend, it has been snowing, and even still, there is a lot of snow outside. So I decided that, okay, let's just have a casual day today, but have a more serious conversation with you guys. So in this particular video, or on a daily basis, well, our focus is to help you guys to identify the opportunities in 4 different markets. Number one is your equity markets, such as your indices and stocks. Then we move on to forex markets. Of course, we look at commodities and cryptos finally. Now, today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin with the crypto market, and then we will move backwards from there. So in the crypto market, what we're seeing is Ethereum making another all-time high. Now, of course, this is something that we've discussed previously as well, because Ethereum is up 12%. Earlier, it made a high of $14.75, only $15 shy of 1,500 target. Which we talked about in our previous videos, of course, in the YouTube live as well. Now, the question, and the valid question, is that why are we seeing this momentum in terms of Ethereum, which is moving to the upside, and why are we when the momentum is not there for Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is actually down on the day by nearly 1%. It was down even more than that. And over the weekend, we saw major sell-off, sort of a serious sell-off for Bitcoin as well. Now, the reason that we're seeing momentum for Ethereum prices is primarily because investors and traders believe that there is a hope that Ethereum is not going to be classified by the SEC as a security. Now, if that doesn't happen, then that means that there's a lot more room for Ethereum to move. And that means if you are holding Ethereum in your portfolio, you may not want to just sell it anytime soon, because this could really skyrocket from here. Now, in terms of a Bitcoin prices, of course, the prices are trading somewhere near 3,200 price level. Now, in order for me to give you the exact sort of a support level, the near-term support for me is still 30,000 price level, and I believe as long as the prices will continue to remain above those price points, we are still okay. If you wanted to know the exact price point, I have done a technical analysis video earlier today, and for me, the exact low or the exact support level that I'm really looking at is where the 50-day simple moving average is trading on the daily time frame, and that is nearly about 28,689. So keep an eye on that particular price level. Now, moving away from that, and then moving into your forex market, what we're really seeing is a weakness creeping into the euro dollar, because remember, there was this battle going on, and it is still going on with the 50-day simple moving average. Now, the fact that France is going back into putting more restrictions that can be announced on Wednesday, and that could be in effect as early as the end of this week, it is having an impact on the euro. And then now we're seeing the euro moving or falling below that 50-day simple moving average on the daily time frame, and that is very much likely to remain the focus. Now, with respect to the Dow Jones, S&P, the DAX, of course, earlier today we had that fake bullish momentum in the market, because a major focus among investors and traders is still very much COVID and how coronavirus is really going to impact the market. Now, when we look at the Dow Jones index, it is very much consolidating but gradually moving lower, and the move is very much to the downside. But however, in order for me to be very confident of this particular move, or for this sort of a weakness to continue, what I really wanted to see is I wanted to go into the 4-hour time frame, and I want the price breaking below the 50-day simple moving average, which is currently where it is trading now. And then we want the price to break below the 100-day simple moving average as well, which is about 30,787. The moment we break these ones, then more weaknesses are really going to be creeping into the market. Now, as for gold prices, of course, we're not seeing that much of a bullish strength. Of course, the strength, it is still the battle is still on with the 50-day simple moving average. And the near-term support in terms of a gold prices really is the low of the candle, which was 22nd. Shall we say? So we say that this was the low on which was on the 22nd of January, and that low is at 1837. So market is very much consolidating between the current price, which is 1855, and the support, immediate support, is at 1837. Remember, at that time, prices will be trading below the 50-day, 100, and 200-day simple moving averages on the daily time frame, so not really that much of a strength. So overall, gold prices look very much weak. That's all for now, and I'll see you guys next time.